Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you 5 tricks which you might not know about for camera on iPhone 14 Pro. So first let's open up the camera, and here there'll be a few shortcuts which you can use. So when you're in a photo, hold the volume down button, and that way you'll be able to record the video without switching to video mode. Also, when you hold the volume up button, you'll take the burst shot. The third tip or trick which you can use is to press somewhere on the image, and right here you can adjust the brightness and exposure of the photo. With a slider like this, it also will focus on an object. So the fourth one will be to go for the settings. Right here, find the camera. Now enter the formats and enable Apple Pro RAW and RAW 48 megapixels, and also go for the that's it. Okay, now if you open the camera again, here you can scroll down the toolbar like this. There'll be lots of settings, and you can enable RAW format for your photos. Also, hidden right here is a filter mode, so you can add a preset filters for your photos. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.